Welcome back everyone. So we already created the independent tables, department, location, project, institute, and we created also employee A and employee B. What is left here or remained is project, team, and degree. Both of these tables are bridge or associated tables. Project team is between project, employee A to address many-to-many relationship, and degree is between employee A and institute to address the many-to-many relationship between these two tables. And project team is also linked with location to get the city code value from location. Location here is a reference table. So let's go back to Management Studio to create these two tables. So let's create these two tables here. First, create table project team, open parentheses, and first we start with project team ID. This is the first column. It's going to be integer, not null. Identity to make it auto increment, and we didn't mention anything to start with because it's by default start with 1 and increase by 1. And we want it to be a primary key, comma, project number, employee ID, city code. All these three columns in a project team are foreign keys because project number link with project table, employee ID link with employee A table, city code link with location table. So first we can create them and let's see how to make them foreign keys at the same time. So project number integer not null, and here we have got some differences from MySQL. Here we can type foreign key references project number in project. We can do that in the same line when we create these columns. Same thing for employee ID. We typed integer not null and its foreign key references employee ID and employee A, and city code its variable character 10, foreign key references city code and location. So this is project team, the first bridge table, and the second bridge table here is degree. So create table degree, open parentheses, degree ID is integer, not null, identity 1, 1, primary key because we want to make it primary key. Employee ID and institute ID, both of them are foreign keys to link with employee A and institute table. So they are integers, not null, both of them. And the last column we want to put here is degree name, which is variable character. And we have these two lines to make them foreign keys. And by the way, you can do the same thing like this table, or you can use the same way in MySQL. This code is flexible to foreign keys. So foreign key employee ID references employee ID and employee A, and foreign key institute ID references institute ID and institute table. That's it. So let's select the SQL code that create these two tables and execute. Commands completed successfully. Let's click tables, refresh, and as you see here we got all the tables. In the next step we need to insert our data, but we might need to do some alteration in our tables, assuming that we didn't address all the tables that we need in this database. So let's see what we need to do in the next tutorials before inserting data. Stay tuned.